Hey guys, so we're back with another unboxing video of ZICO. Ta-da! So here's the album. So we got this album when we went to his media showcase. So we have this signature, but I think this is only intended for the press. So this album is named Grown Ass Kid. And I thought this was cool because it actually has a really cool way to open it. So instead of just one-way door, it actually has two doors. Ta-da! It's really cool, right? It has greenish color, which I thought it was pretty cool. It reminds of us like a monster. And then what's really cool about it is that if you hold it up, you can take this out. How comfortable. Okay, now let's see what's inside the booklet. So first, this is the book. Oh, there are little child ZICO. So I guess this is pictures of him when he was young. How cute. It's like a collection of ZICO. I like it. Okay. So it has the names of the songs that he wrote for this album. Cool. Ooh. So first song, the title song is Freak. It has the lyrics and it has the pictures that match with the song. It's really unique. It's different than other albums. Cool, right? Okay, and then there's second song, Soul Drift. Ooh, Grown Ass Kid. There's the third song, Trash Talk, featured by Changmo. Okay, cool. And then there's the fourth song, OMZ Freestyle. And then there's the last one, Nocturnal Animals. Okay, and then there's the credit. And then the last page is another pictures of him when he was young. I guess he put pictures of him when he was a kid because the name of the title for this album is Grown Ass Kid. Okay, and then there's the envelope. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, okay, so I see some stickers when he was young. That's cute. And then there's this big poster. Okay, let me show you how big it is. Whoa, that's really big, right? And it doesn't really have anything in the back, but in the front, you can definitely put this on a wall. I'll put it on my wall. Okay, and then going back to the box. So, the two-way door. And then there's the CD. Okay, let's take it out. You can easily take it out. Ooh, it's really cool. I like the texture too. You can kind of feel the words written on here. The greenish CD. Okay, so this was it for the new album of ZICO's, Grown Ass Kid. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.